Okay, y'all. Let's see what this can do. Hey, y'all. I bought this thing from Amazon, I say about 3 years ago. Then it's still working. And this is what it has done so far. And it's cutting this high grass. But the only thing about it is you have to rake everything up. But I usually leave mine down for like mulching, because this is the area where the dog goes, and this is good for that. um of course you have to pick up all the poop. So I'll be right back and show you the rest of it when I'm done. Hey y'all, I'm holding this with one hand, and I'm getting ready to show you what it can do with me just holding it with one hand. I'm holding my camera too because I don't have anything to hold it right now. So eventually I'll get now. See how it chopped right through that grass? And look how tall that grass is. That's a lot of grass. So we'll be right back. And because it turns into, if you step on this right here, just don't hit the button when you're doing it. And it turns into an edger. So we're going to edge in a few seconds. Be right back. Also, always wear protective glasses. Okay, y'all, I'm back and I'm getting ready to edge. So let's see if I can show you. So far, I think it did a pretty good job of edging that part out. So let me edge the rest of the yard. You see I got all of that to edge. And let you see how it looks. All those leaves and stuff around the trash can and around the side here. So I'm ready to edge all of that. And I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. So this is how it edges. The edging looks pretty good. But the only thing that I don't like about it is the other people's stuff that's on the other side. On that issue, let's see. So it looks pretty good. Got it all around the side there, so pretty good, I think. Be right back. Protective eyewear. Okay, y'all, I am back. I wanted to show you how lightweight this is. So see how lightweight this is. Pick it up with one hand, especially if you had any upper body injuries. Upper body, say that real fast. Upper body injuries, and it just clicks in. Sometimes I just step on that little orange part back there. So that little orange part, step on that and it'll click in. But otherwise, this is very convenient and lightweight, easy to put together, and a low budget cost. Just something to tidy up your yard with. So check it out. Talk to you later.